Welcome to the ISP 360 video tutorial on kits. A kit is a group of related equipment and connections that is saved together as one file, which retains all equipment attributes and connectivity. We will review building a new kit and how to place and modify them. From the rack view, F12 will bring up the Kit Builder window. The Kit Creation tab. First, we need to add all equipment we want to capture in this kit. Right-click over the equipment and select Add to Kit. As we build a kit in real time on the left, the window on the right is showing the manual process at 6 times faster than real speed. This will demonstrate the time savings with the Kit Builder. When all equipment has been added, give your kit a name and save. You have just created a custom kit. To manage your kits, click on the Load a Kit tab. To place a kit, select the destination rack, select your kit, and click Paste Kit. Now that we have placed a kit, we need to edit the module names. Update the first module name, select Tools, Resequence Right, and it will rename the rest of the modules. The Kit Builder and integrated features within the ISP 360 client tool simplify documentation. That completes our walkthrough of the Kit Builder. Thanks for watching.